Hello and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Today I'm going to be putting together this Elgin wrench. I got the idea about, I discovered these wrenches watching a video of John Fix. I was really impressed with that wrench and went on eBay and found one for myself to restore, and so here's my restoration of the Elgin wrench. Hopefully I can get it as nice as what John did. So sit back, relax, and watch me put this Elgin together. Here's what the Elgin wrench looked like in the beginning. Note, the extra jaw is only 25 cents. I used Evapor-Rust as a rust remover. This is what the wrench looked like after a bath overnight in Evapor-Rust. I'm using my angle grinder with 120 grit sanding wheel to knock out these deep pits. I'm using my orbital palm sander to sand the metal smooth. I started out using 180 grit and went through various grits until I ended at 600 grit. I'm using KC Super Blue Liquid Gun Blue on the knurling nut, or adjustable knurling nut on this wrench. I'm using my buffing wheel to polish the metal. Here's what the wrench looked like before I started, and here is what it looks like when I'm finished. Due to the deep pitting, I was unable to keep the extra jaw for 25 cents, although if you hold it in the light just correctly, you can see it faintly. Alright, we're here at the at my tester. So we've got my Elgin here. Works pretty good. The patent was applied for August 11th, 1896.
It was granted, the patent was granted June 8th, 1897. Patent number is 584019 and granted to Henry A. Smith.
Well, there you have it, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed this restoration of this Elgin wrench, and again, thank you to John Fix for putting that into my head and getting one of those and restoring one. I'll share a link to one of his to the video that he put together. So thanks for watching, and as always, please like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and follow me on Instagram at Robert J. Foust. Thank you.